BMW ownership feels incredible in the beginning. The steering is sharp, the interior feels premium, and the driving experience makes you understand why so many people fall in love with the brand. But there is a moment that many owners quietly talk about, a mileage point where the experience starts to change. And for a lot of people, that moment arrives right around 60,000 miles, when the warranty protection fades and the real cost of owning a performance luxury car begins to show itself. Most buyers go into BMW ownership expecting some maintenance. They know it's not a basic economy car. But what surprises many owners is how quickly small issues begin stacking up after that mileage point. Because modern BMWs are packed with technology, sensors, turbos, cooling systems, and electronics that all work perfectly in the early years, but start demanding attention as the car ages. One of the first things many owners notice after 60,000 miles is the sudden increase in maintenance visits. Not always major failures, but warnings, leaks, worn components, and service recommendations that didn't exist during the first years of ownership. And this is where the financial reality of driving a performance-oriented vehicle starts to appear. A big reason for this shift is how BMW engineers its cars. They prioritize performance and driving feel, which means tighter tolerances, more complex cooling systems, turbocharged engines, and advanced electronics. And while this creates an amazing driving experience, it also means there are simply more parts that can wear out over time. Take the cooling system, for example, something many owners never think about until it becomes a problem. But after 60,000 miles, it's common to see water pumps, thermostats, hoses, and coolant components beginning to wear. And when these parts fail, repairs can become expensive very quickly compared to standard vehicles. Then there are oil leaks, something that BMW owners often start hearing about once the car reaches higher mileage. Not because the engines are bad, but because modern turbocharged engines operate at high pressure and heat levels, which means gaskets and seals can eventually begin to weaken over time. Another area that catches many owners off guard is suspension wear. Because BMW vehicles are designed for precise handling, the suspension components are tuned differently than typical cars, and after tens of thousands of miles, parts like control arms, bushings, and shocks may start showing signs of wear that affect ride quality and handling. What makes this more noticeable is that BMW drivers often care deeply about how the car feels on the road. So even small changes in ride quality or steering response are more obvious, which leads many owners to replace parts sooner than drivers of other brands might. The engine itself is rarely the immediate problem. Modern BMW engines are actually quite capable of lasting long distances when maintained properly. But the systems surrounding the engine, such as turbo components, sensors, and cooling systems, are often where costs begin to rise. Turbocharged engines provide the performance BMW is known for, but they also operate under more stress than naturally aspirated engines. And after enough miles, the supporting components, including boost control systems and related hardware, can require maintenance that many owners didn't anticipate when they first purchased the car. Another factor that contributes to the perception of rising costs after 60,000 miles is electronics. Because BMW vehicles include advanced driver systems, digital dashboards, infotainment units, sensors, and modules that all communicate with each other. And while this technology enhances the driving experience, it also increases the complexity of diagnosing issues. Sometimes it's not even a major failure that changes how owners feel about the car. It's the accumulation of smaller repairs and service visits that slowly shift the ownership experience from exciting to expensive, especially for people who bought the car expecting lower running costs over time. Depreciation also plays a big role in this story, because by the time a BMW reaches 60,000 miles, the resale value has dropped significantly compared to the original price, which means owners start comparing repair costs to the value of the vehicle itself. This is where many people face the decision point, whether to continue maintaining the car or move on to something newer. Because when a repair bill approaches a few $1,000s, owners begin thinking about whether that money would be better spent upgrading instead. But what's interesting is that not all BMW owners regret reaching this mileage. In fact, many enthusiasts say this is the point where you truly understand what it takes to own a performance luxury car. And those who are prepared for the costs often continue driving their cars well beyond this point. The difference usually comes down to expectations. Buyers who enter BMW ownership expecting it to behave like a basic commuter car are often the ones who feel shocked by the costs later, while those who understand the maintenance needs tend to handle it better. Another important factor is maintenance history. BMW vehicles that have been serviced properly and regularly tend to age far better than ones that were driven hard with minimal care. And by 60,000 miles, that difference becomes very noticeable. Driving style also plays a role. Performance vehicles encourage spirited driving, and while that's part of the fun, it can accelerate wear on components like brakes, tires, suspension, and cooling systems, which contributes to the perception that the car suddenly became expensive. For many owners, the turning point isn't a single catastrophic failure, but a realization that the ownership experience has entered a new phase, one where proactive maintenance becomes essential rather than optional, and ignoring small issues can quickly lead to bigger ones. What makes this conversation important is that people considering a BMW should understand both sides of the story: the incredible driving experience that attracts buyers in the first place, and the maintenance reality that appears as the car ages beyond its early years. And when we talk about BMW ownership after 60,000 miles, we're really talking about a shift from the honeymoon phase into long-term ownership, where the car can still deliver an amazing experience, but only if the owner is prepared for the responsibility that comes with it. That's the moment many drivers reach where they either commit to maintaining the car properly and enjoying it for years to come, or they decide the cost and complexity aren't worth it anymore. And that decision is exactly why so many BMW owners say that 60,000 miles is the point where you truly discover what ownership really means.